Who got the power?
Hey guys, it's Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something I've never done before and could be an epic fail. So, let's do it. So, as you guys know, we're mostly mixers here on this channel. So I thought, I know what there's a lot of on the internet. Fan accounts. What don't I have? A fan account. So, what I'm going to do is create a Little Mix Instagram, follow a bunch of you guys that follow me and all that, and I'm gonna direct message a lot of you and see what you're up to, the hot goss, if you know who I am. That'll be really exciting. So, I'm very excited. So, I'm gonna say about 2 weeks ago I came up with this idea, and I was like, yes, so good, because I saw I think Colleen or maybe Miranda did it, and I was like, that's a great idea. So, I created an account and I followed many people that commented on my pictures on this account. So what I made was Little Mix Stan 1. And I posted, so I made this on the 26th of June. So I posted 3 photos just to make it seem like a little legit, not like so sketchy. And since the 26th of June, 123 followers. That's insane to me. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna DM a bunch of people. I'm gonna take some photos of myself and I'll come back to you when people reply. Hopefully they reply. I don't know what time it is where people are living. So yeah, let's talk to some people. So I'm just going to direct message some people. I don't know who to direct message. Okay, let's start with me. Should I direct message myself? Okay, let's start with, I'm going to direct message Jade is Heart. Let's have a look. Hi, I'm new to Instagram. How are you? Question mark, send. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, sent that. Okay, I'm gonna go in to see if anyone's direct messaged me. Okay, it says suggestions. I've got some suggestions here. Oh, I've got 2 requests. Please follow me back. Okay, we'll follow you back and we'll send you a message. Sure. How are you? Let's be friends. Okay. And then someone here has just messaged me, hey. So we're gonna say, hey, how are you? Okay. So I've sent those. I'm gonna send one to Hungry Mixer. Hey, how are you? Let's be friends. I don't really know how to start this, so it's really exciting. Okay, this one's one of my personal fan accounts that is my name. So let's message them. Hey, oh my god, I love Elise too. Okay, got that one. Let's do Little Mix Slays Everything. Hey, what is your fave LM song? Mine is Power. Oh, I put 2 on the end. Whoops. Okay, I'm gonna message Lil Pez. I'm gonna say, hey, how epic is the summer hits tour? Hashtag shook. No one's replying back. Hello. Hey, love your account. Because I do. Because I follow it on my personal account. And it's really good. Okay. Beach. We got a reply. 2 replies. Here we go. It's on. Hungry Mixer. They are ready. Look. Hey, I'm good. And I'm fine with that. We're in here. Like the message. Okay. Yay. Yay. What's your fave thing about Little Mix? Question mark. The next person is __little__mix said good. What about you? Oh, good. Same. You have a fave member of Little Mix. I don't know how to talk to these people. It's really freaking me out. Okay, now we wait for a reply. We have liftoff. My favorite member is Perry. Yeah. Do you have a favorite member? Should I do my normal speech? Good choice. I personally don't have a fave member, but if I had to choose one, I'd probably say Jessie. Okay, I always say that in my videos, so I don't know if this person watches my videos or not, but we're about to ask if they watch YouTube videos. Just said so good. Okay, watch YouTube? I don't know. Getting really weird now. Do I give away that it's me? Or like, just wait till the video comes out? Like, I don't know. Like, how do you run this video? I don't know. Okay. I'm kind of happy with that, but I'm waiting for more people to respond. Yes, of course. Do you have any fave YouTubers? I like, who are some good ones? Shane Dawson and Manny MUA. We got more. Fully wasn't screen recording, sorry. Manny MUA and Elise Wheeler. Got it. What's your favorite thing about Little Mix? Their personalities, their love for their fans, and how funny and loyal they are. Basically everything. Couldn't have said it better myself. Do we wait again? I think so. Here we go. Really, I don't know who is Shane Dawson, but I love Elise Wheeler. Doesn't know who Shane Dawson is, one of the most top YouTubers, but knows who I am. Wow. Oh my god. So good, right? Isn't Elise everything? Oh god. I gotta laugh. Her reactions are literally every mixer. Cool. Here we go. Glad you're in the fandom. Hell yeah. Do you have a fave Elise video? Now we wait again. Elise Wheeler Queen says, no, all same, bye. What? And now we wait again. This is the waiting game. This video should be called Elise waiting for DMs to open. Don't know how this video is going out, guys. I don't know how long this video is, but I don't think it's turning into a fail because no one's talking. So, should I ask, what is your name? I'm gonna give myself away now. What is your name? I have no idea how to say that. Brisella? Briselda? Okay, here we go. Elise. Elise Wheeler. My heart is pounding. I don't know why. You have the same name as Elise? No. I am Elise. Should I send a picture? No, I know you are joking. How do I break it to her that it is me? Oh, I know you are joking. No, I'm filming right now. It's me. This person's been a trooper, like putting up with these stupid questions I'm asking. I don't believe really it can be a photo of Elise. I'll send a video then. Hey, it's me. I am filming right now. Just thought I'd let you know. You're gonna be in my next video, so. Tricked ya! Gotcha! This person is fully like, no, it's not. You're tricking me. I don't care. Like, wow, you are the real Elise. I'm talking with you right now. You sure? You sure are. So, thank you again. Thank you for being such a trooper. Thank you for everyone who let me DM them, I don't know. But thank you especially to the ones that did respond. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a giant thumbs up. If you do want to actually talk to me, tweet me, and follow me on my Instagrams. I have 2 of them, a beauty one and a main Instagram account. That's where you can find me all the time. So that is it, guys. I will see you in my next video. Thanks again to Brielda, sorry. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys!
Wandering about, wondering who made them and who's gonna cut them out. Sometimes there's a danger of choking on the part. No one gave a warning to the breaking of your heart. Pick up all the pieces